dancer. But did I tell you that my baby girls team won? This is their very first game as middle schoolers playing volleyball. It was away and they won. And my husband was able to catch her because I got lost, but he was able to catch her in the first game and said that she did really good, and he was so proud. That makes his athletic heart proud because he was the athletic one. Let me scratch that. He was on the field. He's the sportsman in the family and just a proud athlete. Although I was a dancer. I was an All-American dancer. I danced in college, and my oldest daughter is now an All-American dancer. That is some athleticism too, okay? Just have to put that out there. But today is another day, and we have another game today. I am working, but right now I have to take my oldest daughter her lunch. She left it at home. And although she could eat at school, my husband, prepares her lunch every day, and she wants her dad's lunch, which is he does a really good, nice, healthy lunch with fresh fruit and veggies. So I am going to drop her food off to her. I am responsible for the team's snacks before the game. So I'm going to go to the store and grab some chips. I believe she said some applesauce pouches and some juice pouches. I'm going to do those. I'm going to have sandwiches made at work because I think it'll be easy. Before I leave work, I can just go to the kitchen, grab those, and prepare the boxes and head on to the game. I hopefully will be able to end the vlog today. I didn't expect for this to be like a week in the life, but I needed to do this to get back in the swing of things anyway, because I took a break off. So I also would really like to record some things for TikTok, like a day in the life. This week, it's not that busy at work, but when I say it's not that busy, we don't have a lot of events going on, but we're going to use this time to get the space clean and organized and get our minds together, because our fall calendar is going to be hectic. It's going to be moving really fast, and we need to make sure that we have our game plan together and things organized and all of that jazz. And next week I go back to Jackson for classes. We take comprehensive exams, so I am also going to take advantage of this light week to get up to speed on some content so that I do well on my comprehensive exams. Am I nervous? Heck yeah. I'm really nervous. Like, I feel like I don't retain all of the information, let me change that. I feel like I retain the information enough to have a conversation with you about it, but it's the whole testing aspect of it that freaks me out. And with testing, you don't have a week. You have an hour or two, or you have a limited amount of time to regurgitate this information and sound very scholarly. The thought of that is overwhelming. It is overwhelming. So I'm taking this week as a blessing. All right, I'm not too far from my baby's school. I'm gonna get her this and go grab some snacks so I can already have, and then do a little slaying in the office and charge this camera because it is on 30%. youngest with me, and we're now headed to we're headed to where we headed to volleyball practice, and then I am on my way to the news station with my husband, who his food truck will be featured on the Good Morning News.
At selectquote.com/commercials.
Being a teacher at Arkansas Virtual Academy allows me to have the energy to pour into my...
Well, good morning. It is September 1st, and it is now 7 o'clock. I just dropped off the youngest at volleyball practice. Now I need to go and gas up my vehicle because I am going to accompany my husband on a TV news segment today for his catering business. I think it's an exciting weekend to do so, to kick, or day to kick it off, because my daughter's high school game is going to be tonight alongside some others, and Friday Night Lights is in full effect, and then tomorrow here in Arkansas, the Arkansas Razorbacks are playing in our capital, Little Rock. So I think this is like the perfect weekend to share some tailgating tips and treats with Arkansas. So I'm gonna get prepared to do that. I am sleepy, y'all. And then I have to leave the news station and get back to work because there is a very special birthday lunch that we are preparing for at my place of employment, and I definitely want to be there. A VIP client, and I got to get the day going. We have a family member that's coming to stay with us this weekend for his class reunion. I don't know if my home is all the way together, but hopefully we can make him feel very warm and welcoming this weekend. And then tonight, I'm going to get ready for the game. So I hope that you are nestled and comfortable while you are tuning into this vlog. I just want to bring you along. I have to say, bear with me with the settings. Sometimes I think I get the perfect light, then it gets dark. I'm still having to learn about the ISO and the frames and the shutters and apertures, all that stuff. I don't know. So I just try to play with it until it gets right. So if I go real bright on you, if I get too dark, just know you gotta bear with me and you're gonna give me grace. All right, I hope that you're having a great day and that you have a productive day today. Just gonna bring you along with me. If I'm not able to talk to you, just know you're with me. I'm just gonna carry you around like you're part of the family. All right, talk to you later. We made it.
So amazing. It's the moonlight that makes me wonder why we separated, or am I faded? You shine so bright, it's an understatement. Single is overrated. If you
these lighting issues under control. Well, we did the segment. I think my husband did a really good job. The food smelled so good, and now we are gonna go on and get the rest of the day started.
20, you've been so patient. Oh, I kept you waiting. You want me back, baby? Then take me back, baby. It's in the night when I think I made it. When all day dedicated, 18 hours without breaking.
This is how I know that I need to relax. I went to pick up my oldest daughter from school thinking that it was early, and forgot to get my youngest child, so I'm headed back. All right, y'all, Hours have passed, work is over, and I am now headed to the game. I came home, took a nap because I wasn't feeling good, and I had my phone still on silent from this morning when we were on the news. Woke up to my oldest baby being on television for the evening news. So the news station is at her school today. Today has been a day. You know, I'm tired, but there's a lot of good things happening, and now we're going to finish the day and hopefully call a victory.
Wait, wait, wait.